grip of your hand. I can feel you holding my world.
Nuba'y kung nadarama, oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Magmula nang nakita ka, nagwawala ng pangangamba. Pag ika'y kapiling na, feels like summer when I'm with you. Parang isang pag-tropiko. Can't wait to go back with you. Sa isang pag-tropiko. Pag-tropiko, pag-tropiko, oh. Sa isang pag-tropiko. Pag-tropiko, pag-tropiko, oh. Sa isang pag-tropiko.
Sumapit na ang araw, nagigiling ang puso. Hinahanap ka sa tabi,
Di nga mawala sa isip.
nakita kang papalapit. Puso ko'y bigla nang napagaling. Ano nga bang sinapit?
Kakapit parang galing.
I found a place in the sun to walk with you in the silence. Guided by the grip of your hand,
I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba kung nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat alamat ay masaya. Magmula nang nakita ka, nagwawala ng pag-angamba. Pag ika'y kapiling na, feels like summer when I'm with you. Parang islang pag-tropiko. Can't wait to go back with you.
Kapsor!
Pag-tropiko, pag-tropiko, oh. Sa islang pag-tropiko. Pag-tropiko, pag-tropiko, oh. Sa islang pag-tropiko.
On the tropical islands, sitting on a white sand. Guess I found the love with you. 'Cause with you, boy, I'm going crazy. Could be my baby, I could be a lady.
Oh, oh, oh.
Nakikinig ng kaiyan, kasi para bang di na nakikinig.
Makabobo, huminto. Gumugulo ang puso ko sa'yo.
Only your footprints in the sand, to walking with you inside me. Guided by the grip of your hand, I can feel you holding my world.
Bakit kung nadarama? Oh, shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na?
before anything else, magpapakilala po muna kami. 2, 3. Mabuhay!
Marhay na Banggi, I'm Sheena!
Hi everyone, I'm Gwen Oragon!
Marhay na Banggi, Bicolanas, I'm Malay! Kamsur, Marhay nga Banggi, I'm Stacy Ngani!
Good evening, Kamsur! I'm Aya!
Hi guys, I'm Colette! Kamsur! Ako po si Joanna!
What's up, Kamsur? It's Mika!
And we are
Gini! Grabe ang energy nin kaugma! Grabe. First time po ining mag-attend digdi, pero grabe ang suporta. As in, pagpadaba na pagtataunin do sa mo. We're very happy to be here with you guys tonight. So sana mag-urugma, as in, mapaugma namon kamong gabos sa mga performances na hinanda namin because this night is for all of you.
Yes, and gusto kong tanungin sa inyo, sino pa yung bumiyahe dito? Ay, halos lahat. Grabe. So, sino dito taga Legazpi pa? Grabe. Sino dito yung mga 5 hours away pa?
Mga dumayo.
Grabe. Alam niyo, sobrang nakakatuwa talaga na makita namin kayong lahat dito. And for our next song, dapat ready kayo magsayaw-sayaw dyan, ha? You know? Like, I wanna see those hips swaying. I wanna see you guys jumping. Okay? Are we ready for the next song?
Pero, wait lang.
Oo. Wait lang, may ano si Ate Jo.
Oo.
Fun fact.
Kumain na ba kayo? Hindi pa. Hala. Oh, sige, at least, di ba? After nito, bubusugin namin kayo ng performances. Ayun! So, okay na?
I think we're ready.
Okay. I think we're ready.
Are you guys ready to party?
Make some noise!
Let's go!
I step out in my new bikini, heads turning when they see me, keeping it ocean breezy. Might wanna be me, come over here and see me strut in my new bikini. Yeah, 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 yeah.
I ain't skipping meals, yeah, I can manage. I don't need no crumbs, yeah, like the plate.
These girls make him hot, hot, hot. I'm worth all the work. I know what a serve. It's gonna keep you full all day. I step out in my new bikini, heads turning when they see me, keeping it ocean breezy. Yeah, 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 yeah. Might wanna be me, come over here and see me strut in my new bikini. Yeah, 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 yeah. Right there, just like that, just like that, like that. I step out in my new bikini, heads turning when they see me, keeping it ocean breezy. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh my God, look at what I got. Think a real player wanna stay faithful. You can go talk whatever you want, but it ain't gonna be so hateful. These girls make it hot, hot, hot. I'm worth all the work. I know what I serve. It's gonna keep you full all day. I step out in my new bikini, heads turning when they see me, keeping it ocean breezy. Yeah, 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 yeah. Might wanna be me, come over here and see me strut in my new bikini. Yeah, 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 yeah. Just like that, just like that, like that.
Boy, let's go for a swim. Never been this deep, we'll dive right in.
See, boy, love on my skin, never been this deep, so dive right in. I said
naman yung mga moves ng mga taga-Kamsur! Grabe, hips don't lie ang mga taga-Kamsur. Di ba, Gwen?
Siyempre.
Are you proud, Gwenny, of your mga
Siyempre.
kababayan?
Mga ko-Oragon.
Grabe, mga Oragon!
Yes. Pero wait lang, parang medyo solve na tayo dito. Hindi natin nakikita yung audience sa likod. Kamsur, hindi pa tayo tapos. Kung alam niyo itong next song namin, feel free to sing. And please, make us blush.
Every time you look at me, I blush. I get butterflies with every touch. Love it when you're talking all that ooh la la la. Nobody does it like you, na na na. I want you all the time, give me more. Oh, I never felt this before. I've been thinking about you all day, 7 days away. Show me some love, oh, we'll never get too much. Just say you're on the way, boy, don't make me wait. It's hot like the summer. I wanna dip my toes in the water. Oh, calling it when you're talking to me. Every time you look at me, I get butterflies from every. Loving when you're talking all that ooh la la la. Nobody does it like you, na na na. Every time you look at me, I blush, thinking that it's more than just a crush. Love it when you're talking all that ooh la la la. Nobody does it like you, na na na. You make me blush. You make me blush. I see you with 20/20 vision. I know the what we got is something different. I wanna keep going, no intermission. When I make you keep it, hit me with precision.
When you call me and tell me you wanna come over, I love it. Tumitigil ang mundo pag ika'y na malapit. Ano pa ba magagawa para ikaw maakit? Sabihin mo lang, para malaman. It's hot like the summer. Wanna dip my toes in the water.
Oh, color me when you're talking to me. Every time you look at me, I get butterflies with every. Love it when you're talking all that ooh la la la. Nobody does it like you, na na na. Every time you look at me, I blush, thinking that it's more than just a crush. Love it when you're talking all that ooh la la la. Nobody does it like you, na na na. You make me blush. You make me blush. You and I, to the end of time. All my life I've been waiting for this. Just my time, always on my mind. I know why, 'cause you make me.
Every time you look at me, I get butterflies with every. Love it when you're talking all that ooh la la la. Nobody does it like you, na na na.
Every time you look at me, I blush, thinking that it's more than just a crush. Love it when you're talking all that ooh la la la. Nobody does it like you, na na na. You make me blush. You make me blush. You make me blush.
Okay. Okay pa ba kayo? Yung mga nasa likod, okay pa ba kayo? Grabe yung energy nyo. Thank you so much for inviting us today. At dahil dyan, magbabasa tayo ng mga banners. Itaas yung lahat ng banners nyo. Okay. Ilayag ang makulit dito sa Bicol. Diba? Umaawit mula Pampanga hanggang Kauma.
Flying kiss ka lang. O, magbasa pa tayo ng signs dito. Hi, guys!
Ano pa ba?
Nakita ko may
Banners.
broomstick. Hello!
Beanie, save me. Thank you. Hi guys, sa mga nasa likod. Hello. Hi.
Sa mga nasa likod, hello, everyone!
Hi. Grabe.
Wow!
Okay. Okay, guys. Feeling ko, magpahinga muna tayo sa Beanie songs. Okay. Kasi matagal na namin itong hindi ginagawa, guys.
Wow.
Feeling ko, kaya nyo kaming sabayan dito. Alam niyo ba yung trend sa TikTok? Yung
Check, check, check,
Okay.
check.
Mas rinig kaya. Hello? Hello? Anong mas, both are okay? I think. Okay, feeling ko, guys, sabayan nyo kami ha. Sino bang nakakaalam ng dance na
Girls,
to?
let's go.
Alam nyo?
Okay,
Ano yung kayo na may alam? Okay. Let's go. Sige nga, try natin with music.
Yung leader namin.
Ito. Isa pa. Hindi namin naririnig. Okay.
Nakakahiya naman.
Nakakahiya to.
Grabe, nag-TikTok sa kaugma.
Practice to namin. Oo, dapat subayan nyo rin kami. Kung kaya nyo lang naman sa space nyo.
Ate Aya solo. Solo, Ate Aya. Ay, solo, Ate Aya. Aya. Joaya. Gwen. Aya. Jo Aya.
Dali na!
Go, Aya.
5, 6, 7.
Let's go. Hey. Uy. Jogging. Wala si Gwen solo. Bicol represent.
Kung may court mo to, bebe.
Ang lakas ng boses niya. Go, Gwen.
Wala, bebe, sabayan mo ako.
Go, Gwen.
Pinractice ko to eh. Teka. Hindi lang ako OA, be, ha? Wow! Okay na, be? Si Joanna kasi.
Mika. Go, Mix!
Dapat hindi ka
Go, Mix! Go, Mix!
Sabayan mo.
Ipakita mo na uragon ka.
Pakita mo yung manok mo.
Wala sa...
One more.
Okay.
Go, Mix!
Okay na.
Grabe kayo sa
Ayan na,
akin.
go, Mix!
5, 6, 7, 8.
Ay, ang ganda naman!
Ang bitin.
Ang ganda!
Okay na.
Yes.
Stop. And we'll move on to our next song. Ano?
Yeah, can we have a picture? Picture muna tayo, guys.
Ay,
Yeah.
wala.
Picture tayo. Besties! Picture tayo.
Besties, sama kayo.
Let's go, besties.
Iangat niyo yung banners niyo or your flashlights or whatever. Tara.
Okay, pagbilang namin ng... Okay, after 3 na lang. After 3, say, Beanie,
1, 2, 3! Oh, one more! Mas malakas! 1, 2, 3!
Nice.
Ganun yung tono nila eh. no?
Yes, grabe. Wait lang, may question ako, guys. Hello? Hello? Hello, everyone? Rinig niyo ako? Ha? Hotdog. Guys, nag-enjoy kayo? Grabe, kasi kaming girls, thank you so much. Thank you, Kamsur, for welcoming us. Sobrang saya mula kaninang start. Super nag-enjoy kami. And syempre, we wanna say thank you to our besties. Besties, say hi! Our besties, thank you for dancing with us. And thank you to Six Part Invention. Thank you po. Right after performance, nag-play din sila for us. So thank you so much.
Yes, guys. Thank you so much dahil andito kayo. Thank you for your time and for your energy. Kasi grabe. O, di ba? Grabe yung energy nila till now.
Grabe energy, hindi sila nakikinig.
Yeah. You know, we have so many emotions right now. It's very special today kasi grabe yun nga yung energy na nadala ninyo and nabigay din namin sa inyo. So, for our last song, that also captures the feelings that we have.
Unang kilig, unang kilig, yeah, yeah. Unang kilig, unang kilig, yeah. Di ko magtago ang nararamdaman.
Grabe to. Grabe. Alam niyo po ba, after Coachella, parang ngayon na lang ulit kami nakapag-live na festival performance. So, sobrang special nito sa amin. And nakita namin hindi ko alam, pero nakita ko sa SOCMED yung top shot nito. Sobrang puno tayo hanggang dulo. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pumunta tonight. And yun naman yung reason kung bakit kami nandito, para pasayahin kayo. Salamat po, salamat. At good weather tayo, di ba?
Hindi tayo sinundan ng ulan.
Yes.
Alam niyo guys, merong isa sa amin na nag-birthday. Isa? Sino po? Oh.
Surprise
Si Malo.
Wow!
Okay, ulit tayo. Isa pa, happy birthday. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you.
Maloy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Kala ko recorded.
Ay!
Thank you, Bloom. Salamat po. Thank you. Grabe.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Grabe, kung may time lang kami magstay sana kami. And kung may time lang kami mag-perform ng mas marami pang song, pero doon na tayo nagtatapos.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you,
everyone.
guys.
Alam namin kung gaano kayo katagal naghintay. We love you all. We love you, come soon.
Thank you, guys. Ingat kayo po uwi. But wait! What? But wait! Wait lang. Siyempre, di ba, special nga sa ating tong Kaugma Festival. Pero, hahayaan ba namin hindi namin ma-perform tong song na to? Do you want more? Then we'll give you more. Woo! Let's go! Sing and dance with us!
Oh no,
Because!
di pa rin mabasa ang iyong tunay na motibo. Ibang pinapakita, taliwas sa iyong salita. Pero ayokong magduda, baka sa simula maghihintay na lang na ika'y dumaan. Sana ay maibsan ang aking pangungulila. Tracking this fairy tale, but I don't wanna wake up in this dream. Baby, ayokong umasa sa paniniwala. May pag-asa nga ba na baka ang puso ko'y mapapigay? Mahiwagang salamin, kailan ba niya aaminin? Kanyang tunay na patingin. Mahiwagang salamin, ano bang dapat gawin? Bakit ang puso'y napipitin? Salamin sa dingding, nasa na ang pag-ibig? Salamin sa dingding, ba't mo ba sabihin? Salamin sa dingding, nasa na ang pag-ibig? Salamin, kailan niyo ba ako mapansinin? Ayokong maniwala, na pagkamabaliwala. Pero sa iyong suyak, pamamatay na mumusan, di ko kayang magpanggap. Ano ba talaga ito? Maghihintay na lang na ika'y dumaan. Sana ay maibsan ang aking pangungulila. Trapped in this fairy tale, but I don't
On the wall, please celebrate dropping. I'm waiting for a song.
Talagang next move mo gusto ko na naman malaman ano ba ang katotohanan Oh my, now it's not too late I'm ready to be called your princess, hey Ayokong umasa sa paniniwala May pag-asa na ba na baka ang puso ko mapagkagaan Nahiwagan sa
Nogma Festival, maraming salamat po ulit sa inyo. Sana hindi po ito yung huling pagkikita natin. Kung gusto niyo manood ng concerts namin,
Happy Nogma Festival!
yes, girls, thank you so much sa lahat po ng bumiyahe pa mula sa malayong lugar. Thank you so much. Really appreciate you. Thank you guys. Again, we are 2, 3, Rainbow. Salamat po. Thank you. Ingat kayo pag-uwi. Hey!
Let's give it up one more time for Aya, Colette, Malloy, Gwen, Stacy, Mika, Joanna, and Sheeta. Once again,